Meaning of earshot.
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 Earshot. Earshot means the range or distance within which one can hear a sound. It refers to the area that is close enough for someone to hear something without straining or needing special equipment. For example, if someone says they are within earshot of a particular location, it means they are close enough to hear what's happening there without any difficulty. The term is often used metaphorically to refer to being in range of someone's attention or influence. Overall, earshot describes a close proximity to sound, either literal or figurative.